Thank you. Please respond so that I can continue. Okay. Once again, good afternoon, everyone. Here, as per the previous class discussion, we know we done relational algebra, its operations, and preparation of relational algebra queries. You know, the relational algebra is a procedural oriented language, so that we have the procedures. We must follow the given or predefined procedures and solve the problem. So that is what we learned that procedural oriented language, which is a relational algebra calculus. Then everyone is understood the topic. Hello, all of you clear about relational algebra? If this clear, then I will go for relational calculus. Hello, hello. If it clears, I will go with next topic. Otherwise, we'll discuss same topic if you are having any doubts. Hello.
No doubts.
I'm not getting any voice from you, Abhilash. Some sound is coming. I'm asking the topic is clear that I will go for next topic. Please quickly respond. Why you people are not responding today? Okay, yes, clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now we'll go with the next topic. That is relational calculus. So what is the relational calculus? So, before moving to relational calculus, already I told you here this particular query is valid. They are having mathematical problems, mathematical solutions, only relational algebra under the relational calculus. The relational algebra under the procedural oriented language means it is having some procedures. We need to follow the procedure for solving the problems on the data. That is a procedural oriented language. So that relational algebra we have procedure, that is what operations. We are using so many operations and we perform a particular database. In the same way, non-procedural oriented languages also there already we discussed in the previous class. Clear? Clear? Hello? I need response, otherwise I cannot continue already told you many times.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, such non-procedural oriented languages doesn't have any procedure, any operations, there is no any definition. So we are going to frame our definition and our procedure, and we make our own way of data extraction using this non-procedural oriented languages. Is the screen is visible now? Is the screen is visible?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yeah. Now we are discussing about relational calculus. Already I mentioned many times, it is a non-procedural. Relational calculus is a non-procedural language. The relational calculus is an alternative to relational algebra. Yes, exactly. The alternate. But in this relational calculus, there is no procedure. There is no predefined functions. In contrast to the algebra, which procedural, the relational calculus is non-procedural. Means there is no declarative. We have to use our own procedure. Here, even I can tell you this relational calculus is more helpful than relational algebra, and it is common features are there like query programming languages, SQL. SQL also somewhat related to the relational calculus. So that especially it is called as query by example. This relational algebra calculus, sometimes we can call query by example. It is mirror features of SQL. Relational calculus again classified into two types. One is tuple relational calculus, another one is the domain relational calculus, TRS and DRS. Tuple relational calculus and domain relational calculus. I think everyone knows tuple. What is the meaning of tuple? Hello?
Rows. Rows.
Exactly, rows. Means here in the name itself we can understand this tuple relational calculus, TRS, will be work on rows. Means the output always must be the records, tuples only. Here in this variable in TRS takes tuples as a value. TRS as strong influence on SQL. Only it will be written tuples, records, the tuple relational calculus. Here, relational calculus, I am telling you again, relational calculus again classified into two tuple relational calculus. Always it returns the tuples, means records only as a output. Even our query preparation also based on the tuples only because it is a tuple relational calculus. So coming to the second category of relational calculus is a domain relational calculus. Domain. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of domain? In this relational database, so what is the meaning of domain? Hello. We already discussed that. Anyone please suggest me what is the meaning of domain? Already we know. If you don't know, I will tell you. Hello. What is the meaning of domain? Hello. No one is responding. Sleeping? Are you sleeping?
No, sir.
Then tell me what is domain?
It contains all the uh, base. It contains, irrespective of any
In a
value, it
relation?
contains
No,
every
no.
value. Like,
No, yeah. In relational algebra, what is the meaning of domain? Here we know already every column, every attribute. If you define ID, here it is having domain means data type. Every attribute is having data type or not? Hello? Every attribute when you are going to prepare, it is having data type or not?
yes, sir.
Yeah, already I told you that is called a domain. The data type of the attribute is called as domain. Earlier I discussed this topic clearly. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Domain is nothing but attribute data type. Now domain relational calculus means it is going to concentrate on what? Columns. Understand now? Tuple relational calculus, it will be concentrate on tuples. It will be concentrate on tuple will calculation will be concentrate on tuples. The domain relational calculus concentrate on sorry domain relational calculus concentrate on columns. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So now means concentration means the tuple relational calculus when we use that the queries are going to extract only tuples as a result. The domain relational calculus it will be extract the only columns as a result so that the clear mechanism we can use and clear idea you can use for preparation of relational calculus. Now understood everyone? Tuple relational calculus definition and domain relational calculus definition and usage.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now coming to the tuple relational calculus. Procedure oriented, procedural oriented learning. Again, relational calculus having two categories: tuple relational calculus. Both are non-procedural or procedure. Okay, but when we are going to prepare domain, we have one formula. If you know that formula and some predefined definition categories of formula, then we can make it our solution as per our requirement. Find properties. Okay, clear? Same like domain relation calculus also same. Nothing is there. When we know the mathematical relation. Here, hello. Is it
Yes, sir.
calculus? When we are going to discuss already, this is a non-procedural correlation. We are going to implement any calculus. We need to remember one expression where you have to write inside of the we need to use for representation of our tuple relation. And we the things wherever you want. How to do that I will show you. Don't worry. Formula you must be remember. Yeah, T is nothing but record. So what is P of T? P of T is a condition or maybe the formula. P of T is a condition or maybe the formula as a output. But this first we have to write T for P of T. So based on this condition, if the condition is sum of the tuple, if the condition is sum of the tuple, but if it is true, if it is false, finally it will be written only the tuple, and this is the condition. So based on your requirement, we need to write the condition here. That is the representation of outright. I will tell you. Now, first of all, you must be remember this formula and understand it. Everyone is understood now. T for P of T in the form of this formula. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Today, what happened? No one is responding. Have you cleared this formula?
Yes, sir.
If you are not going to tell, I will be in silent. What should we do? You clear this formula or not? If not, I will explain again. Otherwise, I will go with next. My voice is breaking. I am asking continuously. Tell me, Shanmukh, here I
Sir, the
told you.
screen is not visible, sir.
Hello. Rohit, I am not getting.
Sir, the screen is not visible. Like the notes are not visible, sir. Other windows are visible.
It's not visible. Is this window is visible? Hello.
Sir,
Two people are unnecessarily we are checking my. Is this window is cracking? Someone is telling window is not visible. Hello. Tell me some clearly. Something must be
Sir,
clear.
no, sir.
Ah,
I can't even see your presentation, sir.
yes, sir. Your presentation is not visible, sir.
No, I mean, suddenly it's not visible.
again, I am going to share now. That is what you asked me, so that I can. Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
Sir, explain from P of T again.
as your request, again I will explain. Shinmukh, you want from tuple relational calculus. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Want
Sir, your voice is breaking again, sir.
remaining people, Madhuketan, shall I explain from the beginning or in this tuple relational calculus?
No,
Yes,
from
sir.
tuple
Tuple
from tuple
relation
relation.
calculus.
Now coming to again, I will discuss calculus. I categorize into two calculus. Another one is the domain relation calculus. Always records only. Coming to the
Sir, your voice is
columns,
breaking, sir.
but internet is good actually. Now, what
Okay,
about
Now
sir.
now?
it's okay, sir, but in between it's getting break.
Uh, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, now it's okay, sir.
Now it is okay. So that I is a non-procedural procedures. Procedure defined functions, all these things. Here, so that we can prepare our own type of procedures, but we need to follow implementation of our procedure in the form of tuple relational calculus. Here they are given one expression that is P for P of this is the output come because of the P of T. Here, what is the meaning of P of T? P of T is nothing but a formula. If P is a condition formula, then this formula will be run. tuples are going to. So that here whatever the for the tuple query, that is a T for P of T. Clear? Hello.
Sir, if you're saying something, we can't hear, sir.
Hello.
Again, it's breaking.
Getting any voice from your side? You are wasting my time today. I don't know.
Sir, your voice is
Sir, your
breaking
voice is
again and
breaking
again.
again, sir. Can you hear us, sir?
Why? Yeah. Why? College data. It is breaking. Now, what about now?
Still breaking, sir, something.
Now tell me, rejoin. What about my voice now?
Yes, sir. Now it's okay, sir.
Hello.
Can you hear us, sir? It's okay now, sir.
My voice is okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Uh, now I'm sharing my screen. Anything is there, please try to inform so that I can do the better. Okay. Now, relational calculus, it is a non-procedural query language so that we don't have any procedure. But when we have to prepare a for the given problem, we need to prepare the one expression, that is T of P of T. Here P of T for P of T. Here this T is nothing but an output. It's written tuple, so that this output also a tuple. But this output comes only based on the P of T. P of T is nothing but a formula. The P of T is nothing but a formula, or P is a condition when the T is true. If T is true, condition will, then it will be written T. T is nothing but tuples as an output. So this is the meaning of this formula. We need to use this formula wherever you want to use tuple relational calculus. Clear? Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
And so one two formula when we are going to use here T of A. If you write T of A, T inside of the brackets to denote here this is a particular tuple attribute A. Means if you take like this, the ID. If I write it is greater than 50,000 means if the salary is greater than 50,000, that is A to denote the value A, and that T must tuple must belongs to R. R is to use set of condition. I can use T of attribute name, and I can use the conventions. Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No
sir.
one is this. If voice is not, you inform. Now that this is clear now,
Okay, sir. Clear.
yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is this
Yes,
clear
sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clear.
Yes. Going to learn. For to use this calculus is very easy. Relation REL is a relation name R and variables. Okay. Tuples A is a one tuple. B a attribute of R. Here one tuple A we can say A attribute of X relation. If we want to write relational calculus, here A less than greater than this operator we can use. This means that the here atomic formulas we have to use the last. But these formulas you can put here, even I will explain samples. Then the
Sir, your
three.
voice is breaking again, sir.
What is going on today? I don't know. Hello.
Sir, even
Hello.
your screen is frozen, sir. Like, if you're writing anything on screen, we can't see it, sir. Like, only the table and domains are visible. That's it.
Whatever.
Sir, your screen is also struck, sir. It is not visible. Even your writing also.
Oh. So not visible.
Sir,
What
LAN.
should I?
Connect to LAN.
Sorry.
LAN, sir, LAN.
Hmm. Again, hello. Hello. What is Hello, my voice is audible.
Yes, sir. It's
Yes,
audible,
sir.
sir.
Solid. Tell me, what about now?
Yes, sir. It's audible.
My mobile data is good, I think, than college internet. Okay. Now it is clear, right? So that I can continue.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Sometimes it will be happen. Okay. Now coming to relational calculus. We know syntaxes of tuple relational calculus. Already I told you. The syntax, when we want to use any tuple relational calculus formula, so that we have some of the predefined formulas that is going to better representation of our query. If not exactly compulsory, we need to use this because it is a non-procedural oriented language. You see, here I am very clearly I mentioned it is a non-procedural oriented, means there is no procedure. We can define our own procedure, but here some of the some formulas we have. If we use those formulas, our implementation of queries is more easy and more understandable. So that some formulas we have, those three first formulas are called as atomic formulas. Here, atomic means base formulas, core formulas. The first formula is R belongs to relation. Means if you take any tuple, the tuple is a R. How? Anything, or is a anything, any tuple. It belongs to relation. Means the tuple must be in that particular relation. That is the first atomic formula. The case is like that, we can use this formula. So the next case, next atomic formula is here R dot A, tuple dot A. Tuple dot A is nothing but R dot attribute, means the particular attribute. Here operation. What it means operation? Operation means we can take any comparison operator, less than, greater than, or equal to, less than or equal, greater than or equal to, not equal to. So like that. The third atomic formula is here R dot A means the particular attribute operate. OP operation. You can use any comparison operator with constant. Just now I told you what is that? Your tuple of salary. So this is comes under both, but here I want a constant greater than 50,000. Now before that, T belongs to relation. I will write. Before that, I will write T is as output like this. Now what happened? Constant. We can use constant operation and attribute. Like that, we can implement our queries with the tuple relational calculus. All of you understood this atomic formulas, basic formulas. If we use, maybe our representation is good. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Clear.
Yeah, please. Now, for these atomic formulas, sometimes here we use here some more formulas we can generate based on these atomic formulas as per the requirement. Very simple, all are mathematical oriented. So the formula we can use any atomic formula. So we can use any atomic formula. So you can use A, B, C. So whatever you want to use, whenever you want to display the formula recursively, the things are going to happen when you want to extract the data. And the next one is the B. So B is nothing but here we can use P and Q are two different attributes. When we can take P and Q different attributes, then we can use any atomic formula. Second one, not P. Then you know not P means reverse, different results. Okay? Negative values and P intersection Q and P union Q and P determines to Q. So this is the second formula comes from the atomic formula. The third one, the C, that is there exist R, P of R. There exist R. If R existed, then formula is going to P of R. That is what. There exists R, P of R, where R is a tuple variable. Like that also we can use. There exists meaning you know very well. The last one is for all. For all. For all means for all the cases. The R of P of R. For all the cases, it must be true. Then we can use for all R of P of R. Here like that, some predefined mathematical formulas already available. We can use, but compulsory is not there because it is a non-procedural oriented language. But when we use non-procedural theoretically, if you write one thing, then no one will be understand. If instead of that, if we use some mathematical representation for defining of your solution, that is convenient and better. So that here some of the atomic formulas they are provided in the relational calculus. So these are the atomic formulas and extracted four formulas from the atomic formulas. So these we know these mathematical notations is there also. Same thing we can use. How to use? Where should we use? I will tell you. But first of all, you must remember clear. Clear. Hello. All of you clear this. Hello. Hello. Is this clear? These formulas are clear. I am not getting any voice from your side. My voice is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
If it is clear, then all these are the things. Then we'll go with some examples. You know, already everyone is having Saylor table, right? Saylor reserves votes. Yes or no? Saylor reserves votes. Everyone is having or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah. Then I will show you one or two queries. Then so that you can solve remaining queries. I will give the assignment to you. Then you do it. Then I'm opening here even sailors of results table. Yeah, right. Now find all sailors. Everyone write down. Find all sailors with a rating above 7. Find all sailors with a rating above 7. So all sailors, sailor name I want with a rating of 7. Who are having above rating 7, you must be display those sailors. Question is clear? How to write, I will tell you. Question is clear initially. Hello? All of you clear the question? Hello? Now also problem. Is there any problem now? Quickly, time is wasting. Why you are wasting? Is this my voice is audible? Yeah. Okay. Now, find all sailors with a rating above 7. I will written this question on your book. Find all sailors with a rating above 7. Means we are going to display the sailor names who are having rating above 7. So this is the task. Correct? Correct. Same query we done in the relational algebra. Correct? Hello? The same query we did. Now, same query now we are going to do in the relational calculus. Hello? Hello? No one is responding. I don't know. Anusha, are you there? What happened, yaar? Now voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
Is this my voice is clear?
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Okay, time is over. I will take next class. Why today you people are unnecessarily wasting my time? I don't know.